Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
I'm Henry Baguma, UBC radio stations. Sir, I've heard from the media reports quoting UPC President, Chairperson Akena James, saying he's still in the race and that he's waiting to be declared so as his campaign. Can we get the confirmation from you, sir? Is General James Akena still in the race, or it's a closed chapter? Thank you.
Mr. Akena saying he's still in the race. Where I know the people who are in the race are those who are nominated as presidential candidates, and they are campaigning. I think Mr. Akena is aware as to the reasons why he was not nominated. I think the problem started from their party. Their party has internal conflicts which have been raging for a number of years. They have remained unresolved on the issue of leadership of the party. I think he's aware. But if he says he's in the race, well, it's up to him. He can give you more details about that.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.